This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in and getting permissions. Do it now. Once signed in, pick a project template or blank workspace so you can work fast. This avoids delays later. Make sure you grant mic, camera, and storage permissions because models will need them. Also confirm your mobile network. Wi-Fi is preferred, cellular works but may cost data. Finally, set input/output devices and locale so model outputs match your language and device capabilities. Now focus on the core. Prepare your data and train. Upload files or record directly on your phone, then trim and label segments to improve accuracy. Next, choose a model type and tweak key parameters like learning rate, epochs, and batch size. You want balanced speed versus quality. Once configured, preview the model on your device to catch mobile-specific issues. Choose on-device inference for latency or cloud for larger models, and run quick tests with representative inputs to refine settings. Finish by exporting the model or deploying a cloud endpoint, then integrate it into your mobile app using the provided SDK or REST API. Once live, monitor latency, accuracy, and costs. Set up versioning and rollback so you can revert if a change degrades performance. If something goes wrong, try a key troubleshooting step. Clear the app cache and restart the app, then reauthorize permissions if needed. If problems persist, revert to the previous model version and inspect recent parameter changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.